A typical problem that comes up for students when they start painting acrylics is that they're painting away and they're going to add more paint and so on, and then the paint starts lifting off and removing the top layers or even another layer underneath. Now, why does this happen? It happens for a number of reasons. One of them is the brush, because it could be in the way that you're doing the action. If you actually take a brush and you actually have a feel of what it's like for your canvas to have somebody poking at it, you can feel that it's almost like kissing somebody who's got a bristly beard or something like that. It's actually really quite spiky. So you can imagine that on the soft paint that hasn't set, that's going to pull it off, okay? And then there are other parts of the brushes you can use that are smoother, and it's not going to cause that problem. The second thing is that you're probably pestering the paint. You probably put down your best effort, but you keep hassling it. And that's being driven by your inner critic, who just can't leave well enough alone and allow things to happen. And you can go back and correct it when it's dry. What I like to do is I like to work the canvas democratically, not just try and get one little piece perfect, because it's got no relationship to the rest of the painting. So you could be wasting your time working that way, and you're also really hassling the paint. The paint does need time to cure when you're painting. I teach how to handle paint and how to handle your brush, what kind of texture to use, what kind of brushes to use where, how to treat your canvas democratically when I teach my blooms painting workshops, so you avoid all of these horrid little problems that can happen that can really be sapping your confidence, and that you don't need to have it happen. All you need is to grow your awareness. And I find that when I teach my students all the paintbrush license handling before they even go to the canvas, they know how to paint and their confidence is up, and the results that I get from the get-go are so much better than if they hadn't been taught that. So have a look below at my workshops in case you want to join me, and then you can see for yourself what a difference learning how to handle your paint and knowing what your brushes do and so on makes to your painting. It's the key to unlocking your painting success and confidence. All the best from Jacqueline Coates, and I hope to see you in class soon.